Musicians serenade a young man on his way to be married in rural Tajikistan. But just 2 weeks earlier, Saidshah Asrorov had no wedding plans or even a fiancée. He was completing his studies and earning a meagre salary as a history teacher. But his fortunes changed quickly when he recited poems praising Tajikistan's autocratic president, Emomali Rahmon, during an event shown on Tajik state television.
Man, Asrorov Saidshah, یک تن آموزگاری جوان خود را خوشبخت می‌حسابم که با امر تقدیر با شما پیشوای معظم ملت روبروی ساده حرف میزنم.
نایای بختر اویلادار شدی؟
این زمان نه محترم جان.
پیشما بیا.
Impressed with Asrorov's recital, Rahmon decided to help the young man. The president ordered district officials to find Asrorov an appropriate bride as soon as possible and to cover the cost of the wedding. Asrorov already had a match in mind, Marjona Khudadoydova, a recent nursing graduate and the daughter of one of his teachers. He'd only seen her once, but she hadn't seen him at all. The local matchmaking committee gained her parents' approval, but Khudadoydova would only agree on certain conditions.
برای همینم منم راضی شدم. البته راضی شدم که من در آینده کسب خودم را دوام دهم. در عین حال نه.
The bride's plans to work had discouraged other suitors, according to her mother. But Asrorov was unfazed.
البته که خوانده است تحصیل کرده است البته که کار کند
یعنی زید نیست
کار فعالیت نه من یگان زید نیستم چون که من هم خوانده من هم کار میکنم یگان در اویله یکدیگر فهمی اساس اویله میباشه.
Arranged marriages between people who don't know each other well or at all are not uncommon in Tajikistan, but a wedding arranged at the president's request and paid for by public funds is unusual, if not a first. The story has been widely discussed in the Tajik media and amounts to a public relations coup for President Rahmon. As the media spotlight fades, the couple now has the challenging job ahead of building a successful marriage.